Today's tutorial is a ghost applique. For row 1, we're going to start off with a magic ring. Then you're going to chain 1 and add 8 half double crochet into the center ring. Here's 1. And then continue until you have 8 half double crochet stitches. Once you have 8 half double crochet, you'll close your ring, but do not slip stitch to first stitch in row. We're going to make a semicircle like this. For row 2, we're going to chain 1, turn your work, and add 1 half double crochet into each stitch in the row. So that will be a total of 8 half double crochet, and we're only going around this semicircle with stitches at this point. This is what it should look like so far. For row 3, we're going to chain 2, then turn your work and add 2 double crochet in each stitch. You should have a total of 16 double crochet at the end of row 3. Now our semicircle is complete. For row 4, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to be working along this flat edge of your semicircle for the rest of the applique. So we're going to add 12 single crochet stitches along this bottom flat edge. My tip is that little very center where you pull your ring and it kind of makes a little hole in between all the stitches. So if you'd make a full circle, it'd be the center right there. Think of that as the middle line. So on each half, add 6 single crochet stitches. So that half right there has 6, and then the next half that I'm going to complete right now will have 6 single crochet stitches, which will equal a total of 12 for the entire row. And here's row 4 complete. Now for row 5, we're going to go ahead and chain 2, turn your work, and then we're adding 1 double crochet in each stitch of the row, so for a total of 12 double crochet. And that first chain 2 does not count as a double crochet stitch. So just continue down the row adding 1 double crochet until you have 12, and we're going to repeat this same exact row 5, so 12 double crochet to rows 6 through 8. So you're going to watch me complete row 5, and I'll check back in with you after row 8 is complete at the start of row 9. And here are row 5 through 8 complete. Next we're going to make the bottom 3 bumps, so you're going to chain 2, turn your work, and in that first stitch we're going to add 1 double crochet followed by 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 half double crochet, next stitch 1 slip stitch, followed by 1 double crochet stitch, then 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch, followed by 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, and in the last stitch add 1 double crochet. So this should be a total of 12 stitches, and you'll have these 3 little ghost bumps at the bottom. Next, for row 10, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to add a single crochet border around this entire edge, but we're going to stop right here before we meet the other end of the 3 bumps. So just go ahead and add a single crochet stitch where it looks nice and it fits well, but stop once you meet the other end where the 3 bumps begin. And once you reach the other end, after your last single crochet, just cut off and sew in your ends. To create the eyes, I used a yarn needle and some black yarn, and I just sewed the face on, and that's it. If you wanted, you could add a mouth as well. I just left it with eyes. I thought it was cute. I went around 2 or 3 times. You can change and play with the shape and the face. You can use embroidery floss and a sewing needle as well. Or if you have those little eye things, I'm not really sure what they're called, but those little plastic eyes, you can use those. You can get creative and make the ghost how you want. This is just how I made my ghost. And that's all there is to it. A really simple, easy, quick workup of a little ghost applique. And this ghost applique is part of my Halloween Ghoul applique pack, which you can get on my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description below. You get a ghost, a Frankenstein monster, and a vampire. Thanks for watching. Bye.